Hello students. So in the previous two parts we have saw how to calculate the mean using the assumed mean method or the direct method. In this part we will learn how to calculate mean using the step deviation method. So students, what are the steps here? Firstly, we will calculate the class mark. What is class mark? It is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Suppose this is the class 10 to 30. For this, lower limit is 10 and upper limit is 30. So class mark will be 10 plus 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 40 by 2, which will be 20. Then we will choose a suitable xi as the assumed mean. Once we have got this xi, then we will see what is the middle xi. So for this, here we have the third xi as the middle term, so we will assume 60 as the assumed mean. We can assume other number also, but generally we assume the middle term as the assumed mean. Then we will calculate the class size h. What is class size? It is upper limit minus lower limit. So we will have 30 minus 10 is equal to 20, or say 50 minus 30 is equal to 20, like that. Then we will calculate ui. What is ui? ui is equal to xi minus assumed mean upon h. So suppose for this first class we have xi is equal to 20 and 60 is a. So 20 minus 60 is equal to minus 40 divided by 20. So we will have minus 40 divided by 20, which is equal to minus 2. Similarly, for the second class we will have 40 minus 60, that is minus 20 divided by 20. So we will have minus 1, like that. Then we will make the other column for the product of frequency and ui. So we have made this, and then we calculated the mean, which is equal to a plus h into summation of fi ui divided by summation of fi. So if this data is given and you have to calculate the mean, how you will calculate it? Firstly, we will make a table with different columns. The first column we will make for the class interval, then for the frequency, then for the class mark, then for ui, and then for fi ui. So student, we have made this table. Fi we have noted, then for xi we have calculated upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, like that. Then for ui we have calculated as xi minus a upon h. Then once we got ui, then we did the product of frequency and ui. So we got minus 30 minus 18, 0, like that. Now we calculated the mean, which is equal to a plus h into summation of fi ui upon summation of fi. So we will have 60 plus 20 into minus 34 upon 70. So once we calculated, we got the answer as 50.3. So this is how we will use the step deviation method to calculate the mean. I hope it was useful. Thank you.